In this video, we are going to perform a clean installation of Linux Mint. To get started, you will need three essential items. First, the official Linux Mint ISO image. Second, a USB flash drive with at least 4 GB of capacity. And finally, a reliable flashing tool like Rufus to create a bootable media. Head over to the official linuxmint.com website and I will provide all links in the description. Now navigate to download section and choose the cinnamon edition. Linux Mint comes with three flavors: cinnamon, mate, and XFCE, and the both are lighter versions. The installation will be the same. The difference here just between the customization. You can also download this through torrent, but I will use the mirror. Mirrors are simply servers distributed around the world to facilitate the downloading process. You can select any mirror closer to your country, but I will select the world mirror. While downloading the ISO file, let's keep it running and we will download Rufus. Now head over to the official website to download the tool. And now scroll down a little bit and click on Rufus. Now launch Rufus tool. Ensure your USB drive is currently identified under device. Click select and navigate to the Linux Mint ISO file you just downloaded. You can keep the default partition scheme settings and hit start. Warning, this step will format your drive, so ensure you have backed up any imported data before proceeding. Now Rufus burned the ISO file. For booting into the live environment, restart your computer and enter the boot menu by tapping the designated key for your specific hardware, usually F12, F11, or Escape. But if it didn't work, repeat the process again. Now select your USB drive from the list. You are now enter the live environment. This is a temporary session running entirely from your RAM, allowing you to test the hardware compatibility and explore the interface before committing to the installation. The first thing you do is adjust the screen dimensions. Right click and select display settings. And from here you can choose the screen dimension that suits you. If everything is okay, click on the green button. If it is not, wait a 30-second or just click on the cancel changes. You can test the system by opening the browser, but our main focus will be on the installation process. Double click on the icon on the desktop. Linux Mint follows a prompt to select your preferred language and keyboard layout. It is highly recommended to check the box for the install multimedia codecs. This ensures that video playback and web rendering work perfectly. Also, I will unmark configure source boot because I don't wanna Windows use it. This option blocks booting any system before Windows. You got two options here. The first option is to install Linux Mint beside Windows, but I'm not going to do it, so I will select the second option. And something else option, allowing you partition the hard drive as you like, but I will choose the default installation mode, which is deleting everything from the hard drive. And here, the system asks for your location to automatically set the time and date. And now it's time to create a user account. Just a crucial note, your password is required for every administrative task in Linux, so choose the source one that you will remember. You can make the system ask for your password every session you log in, or you can log in automatically, or you can encrypt folder key. The installation will take a few minutes to copy files and configure the system. Once finished, click Restart Now. When prompted by the screen, remove the USB drive and press enter, and boom, welcome to your new source and high performance operating system Linux Mint. And that's it. I hope you find this was helpful.